How to get an Instacart free trial. Instacart offers a free trial of its Instacart Plus membership, formerly Instacart Express, allowing you to enjoy benefits like free delivery on eligible orders and reduced service fees. Here's how to activate your Instacart free trial. Overview. The Instacart Plus free trial lasts 14 days and provides access to premium features such as free delivery on orders over $35, reduced service fees, exclusive perks, and rewards. Step 1. Visit the Instacart website or app. Go to www.instacart.com or open the Instacart app on your device. Log in or create a new Instacart account. Step 2. Locate the Instacart Plus free trial. On the homepage, look for the Instacart Plus section or promotional banner. Click Start Free Trial to begin the process. Step 3. Sign up for the free trial. Enter your payment details, credit debit card or PayPal. You will not be charged during the 14-day trial, but charges will apply after the trial ends unless canceled. Step 4. Start ordering with Instacart Plus. Browse local stores and add items to your cart. Place orders over $35 to qualify for free delivery. Enjoy the benefits of Instacart Plus during the trial period. Step 5. Cancel before the trial ends if needed. Log in to your Instacart account. Go to Account Settings, Instacart Plus Membership. Select Cancel Membership before the trial ends to avoid being charged. By following these steps, you can enjoy the convenience and perks of Instacart Plus during the trial period and decide if it meets your grocery delivery needs.